Thayo mwiroreri wa kiheotv haria hothe uratwamukira gakugeithia na gakunyita ugeni thiini wa Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe tukorwo kumenyithia maria makinyite thiini wa metha itu ya mohoro hoini wa umuthi nie njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani na kimutwathiriri na njira ciiko etagwo Vivian Wangeci tukiambiriria ni ati kamiti ya bunge igimainie na urimi wa macani urithia ni ithingiriirie kwambikwo kwa watho mweru na uria ukurwa na thina uria ukoretwo kuo wa mbeca cia njoherera iria irihagwo arimi a macani. Kamiti yo yugite ati marihi ma mbeca icio ni cungiri arimi a macani kugonderera thine wa urimi wao na undu uria wagirire gukorwo kirorwo na ihenya kuhitukira watho. Akiaria ari mwena wa Mombasa thoko-ini ya macani karibu na nyitite Tio John Mutunga augite ati watho ucio ni ukurehe urumwe hamwe na kugacirithia urimi wa macani.
The tea testing itself, why organoleptic is considered an appropriate method of testing tea quality. We have also been able to understand how the volumes have been moving over time, over the last maybe 10 years, because we looked at 2014 to date. We've also been able to see the decisions that have been made and the warnings that we've been given as a country. One of the key issues that I may want to highlight is that there is need for us to focus a lot more on quality and not necessarily the quantity, because if you look at the quantities, we are producing a lot more than the world can consume. Then the other issue that is also important for us to highlight is the costs that lie in the chain when it comes to packaging of tea products. Most of the tea sellers have the view that it is very costly to package tea in Kenya because the cost of the material itself, the packaging material, is high. The taxes levied on the cost are high, and also there is also the VAT.
Na kwa wakati huu waliamua kusimamisha ununuzi wa chai yoyote kutoka Kenya, na kwa hivyo Kenya imepoteza hiyo soko ya Sudan, na nchi kama Iran wako na sanctions ya Amerika, nchi kama Russia na Ukraine walipoanza kupigana, ununuzi wa chai ilizoroteka sana, na ile chai tulikuwa tunapeleka hizo nchi zilipunguka. Sasa tumeambia serikali ya kwamba ni vizuri ile mapendekezo ya kuendelea kuongeza uzao wa chai, hiyo pesa yenye wananunua naye subsidized fertilizer, wape industry players wafanye naye utafiti na kutafuta naye soko mpya ama soko jipya ya chai, ili tuwache kutegemea zile soko tano ya chai ambayo tumekuwa tumetegemea kama nchi kwa mwaka mingi. So what we are advocating for is for government to support the export marketing strategy and plan that will enable this country to grow, open new markets, grow the emerging markets and protect the existing markets.
Maafitha a borithi gicigo-ini gia Chepalungu kaunti-ini ya Bomet namikitie ngono mutumia umwe wa ukuru wa miaka 32 na uria kwirikanite ni athecangite muthuri wake na kahio thutha wa ngucanio kirabu-ini kimwe mwena ucio na kumuraga. Agikira ndeto ino mukonde komanda wa borithi gicigo-ini kiu Edward Ibwaga augite ati ngucanio icio cirambiririe kirabu-ini kia Embassy Center-ini ya Kampwen, na thutha ucio muthuri wa miaka 36 aroragwo na ni mathaini ma thaa 4 cia utuku na aratengerio thibitari-ini umwe wa Twenken, no ende arahuruka mbere ya akinyitio thibitari-ini. Mwiri wake ndio twaritwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri guku thuthuria ugithie na mbere.
Na watu walipigana mahali ya klabu kule Kapkwen, na polisi walipofika area hiyo waliweza kupata kwamba mwenda zake ambaye anaitwa Bernard Kipkoech alikuwa amedungwa na chupa ya pombe na mama mmoja anaitwa Sharon Cherotich ambaye alikuwa bibi yake. Huyu bwana Bernard alipelekwa Tenwek Hospital kutibiwa, lakini aliaga wakati alipofika katika hospitali hiyo.
Kuamini kuna mtu alitoa juba akakonga hapa, alafu wasaidizi wakatoa ushahidi inaitwa embassy bar, wakatoa nje akiwa hai kidogo. That's my brother. Kila alitoa nje, damu ilikuwa bado inamwagika. Walikuwa wamekaa naye hapa, hata kijana tuko naye nyumbani. Lakini sikufurahia what's happening at least in Kapwen. I'm not happy what is happening in Kapwen. That's my brother.
Tugithie na mbere mũmbunge wa Alego Songa Samuel Atandi augĩte atĩ rũrĩrĩ rwa Jaruo nĩ rũbatiĩ gũkorwo na kũgĩa na mũbango mũrũmu wa kwambatĩra kĩũteti. Atandi augĩte atĩ atongoria a rũrĩrĩ rũu na arĩa mabataire kana mambatĩrĩte na hau kabere matiambatĩrĩte kũgerera mĩrũrũngano na ngucanio no ĩndĩ na mĩtaratara ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Oho augĩte atĩ andũ aingĩ magĩte mweke ũcio na kwaga kũrũmĩrĩra njĩra iria ciagĩrĩire. Oho Atandi arĩtie ũhĩa mũcemanio gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Ugunja na kũrĩa ongereire na kuga atĩ nĩ makũnyita mbaru mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2027 makĩhoka atĩ onake President Ruto nĩ akamanyita mbaru mwaka-inĩ wa 2032.
Kenya has had 5 presidents. Kenya has had 5 presidents since independence. We had Jomo Kenyatta. We had Daniel Arap Moi. We had Mwai Kibaki. We had Uhuru Kenyatta. And now we have President William Ruto. All these presidents who have succeeded to become president, none of them has become president courtesy of Mandamano. They just came out from nowhere, developed strategies of winning state power. That is why we are saying that as the Luo community, we have also tried to get to state house, but we have not succeeded because maybe we have not been using the right approach. Right now we are talking to William Ruto. William Ruto is our tutor. He is our teacher. He is giving us strategies of taking over power from him. That is why we are saying that in 2027, we are going to rally behind President Ruto because he has assured us that in 2032 he is going to rally behind us.
As the people of Ugunja constituency, we are in broad-based government to stay. When Baba passed on and left us right in the government. So as people of Ugunja, we shall unite behind President William Samoei Ruto up to the end. And as leaders of Ugunja, we have no apologies to make. Secondly, there are some of these leaders who are inciting the public, asking the public to go on Mandamano. There is no benefit as a people that we shall derive from Mandamanos and protesting. So as people of Ugunja, I want to urge us that this is our government and we must stay so that we are able to benefit from this leadership. As of today, we are only left with 2 days to the by-election. I want to urge us, the people of Ugunja, the citizens of Ugunja, to come out in large numbers so that we exercise our democratic right by electing the second member of parliament of Ugunja.
Na riboti yo igukorwo igitwe mweke wa gukorwo tugiikiria kwa ndagika oro nini tugathi harĩa tugucokereria tuthi na mbere na gukumenyithia mohoro-ini ma Kiheo Kabiru.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Kuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM, kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ni wihariirie kuoya ikinya mbere hari kiria wiriragiria guthoma. Ndugathinike ringi riu kuona Jewel Technical College mari haha ni undu waku. Tuthomithagia kothi itiganite ta journalism and media studies niguo memerekia, hospitality management niguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy nimo maundu megemainie na uthaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makiria moguo. Ni turi na thiomi cia nanja nicio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucherere Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kurigania na TRM. No tuhurire thimu namba 0713 niyo 0701300071 kana no tucherere rurenda-ini rwitu ni ruo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ungikorwo na woni wigie tabarira citu ndukamairirie gutumenyithia kugerera ndumiriri nguhi kana WhatsApp. Namba itu ni 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email itu niyo info@kiheotv.co.ke.
Ndikuragira arigitani matiganite.
Nimo wako bata thakame ri ni ukoragwo na indo ungituma uthie na iguru, kaingi tucietaga risk factor. Utikoragwo na gitumi ati ungiuga ni kindu fulani ati gitumaga pressure no uthie na iguru.
Wina itumi cigana na nyingi na nituguciaririria, no ni kuri na thina uria ukaga ni undu wa mutumia kuremwo kana muthuri kuremwo gutuma mutumia age mwana.
Tugaga na githungu, every pregnancy is a risk. Ni undu wa mathina mwanya mwanya. Nyũmba ĩyo no ĩrekanie thigira ũcio no ume mbere ya mwana aciarĩtwo.
Tugathoma hamwe ũhoro wĩgiĩ mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩrathĩnia mĩĩrĩ itũ. Nawe mwĩroreri tugakuhe mweke wa kũũria ciũria ciaku.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Kemuma, njoo na mi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi njoo na mi twende Kemuma engineering system. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano. Tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ thaa 4 nginya thaa 8. Kanyitanĩra na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Riũa rĩa Wega thaa 8 nginya thaa 10. Kanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe igĩkinyĩria thaa 10. Ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW mugaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku, na kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku. Ukanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco. Uri wakinya handu ugatua matua ma gucenjia muturire waku o rimwe, wanakorwo na ihinda ria gwicurania na kuona ati muturire waku ndurathie na mbere uria kwagiriire. Matua nomo mangigukinyia kuria waneririria, no ni mabataraga guthingatithio na kurumio.
Nyitanagĩra na ni MC John wa Githomo gikurehera andu manatua matua muturire-ini na itumi cia gutua matua mau.
Turakurehera tabarĩra ya muthingi wigue uria matua mangi manateithia aria mana matua na kumagarurira muturire.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nitwacokereria gunyita ugeni kereka-ini ria keri na tuthii na mbere na gukumenyithia na mutumia wa gavana wa Meru Miriam mutumia au hamwe na mugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini yo Elizabeth Kailemia na hamwe na mutumia wa mubunge wa Imentia Muhuro Simaton Mwiti hamwe na nyitite miage ni manyitanire na gukorwo makigeria kuruguria kambini ya thiku 16 cia kurwa na bara cia kimucie gicigo-ini kia Mitungu Imentia Muhuro kaunti-ini ya Meru. Atongoria maugite ati bara cia kimucie na makiria kure airetu na atumia ni ciongererekeire na gikiro kinene.
I declare the 16th GBV activism launch officially. GBV hurts our community. It affects our families. It affects our women. It affects our girls. It affects our men. And it also affects our boys. Now, when we are talking about GBV, it's not only the digital violence. Kuna physical abuse. Breaking the silence on GBV starts with speaking out and standing in solidarity with survivors. Let's identify them, let's walk them the journey. Kanisa mnanyamaza sana. When things are going haywire, hakuna mtu anasimama kupiga hii vita.
Today is just the beginning. We are just launching. We have the 16 days of activism, and thereafter, of course, we ask all of you to join us in sensitizing our communities against gender-based violence. I would like to condemn very, very seriously what happened in Kianjai. I know we have not said much. There is a girl who has been burnt and she was to die. People went to the police. By the time he was arrested, it took a long time and a lot of advocacy so that that girl can be find her justice.
The digital world has also become a space of fear, harassment, exploitation, and silencing. Online abuse is real violence. The bruise may not be visible, but the wounds are deep.
Na Mheshimiwa Kadhuri ana support, anaunga mkono vita dhidi ya gender based violence ili tuweze kuwa na jamii nzuri za kuishi baadaye. Hata baada ya leo ama siku hizi 16 tungependa hii activism iendelee.
Tukiwa na mambo ya sexual GBV katika Meru yetu hii, tuko katika 16% dhidi ya 15 kitaifa. Kwa hivyo sisi tumekiuka. We are on this other side. We are approaching the red side. Mambo ya physical violence 36% against 34% nationally. Mambo ya child marriage na mambo ambayo yanahusika pregnancy na mengine 24% against 15%. Hapa tuko mbaya zaidi.
Tukiuma kaunti-inĩ ya Meru tũgũthiĩ kũngĩna arĩ ta njĩra ĩmwe ya kũrehe ũrũmwe na ũiguano gatagatĩ ka mũingĩ. Rĩu mathako ma Kikoska nĩ mambĩrĩirie kaunti-inĩ ya Siaya na marĩa marehete hamwe a Kenya guothe bũrũri-inĩ. Mathako maya magũthiĩ na mbere ihinda-inĩ rĩa kiumia kĩgima na marĩa marehete hamwe athaki matiganĩte ta ateng'eri acori kuma kaunti-inĩ 47 cia bũrũri itanya-inĩ rĩa kũrehe ũrũmwe, ũnyitanĩri na thayũ. Makĩaria ihinda-inĩ o rĩu, atongoria nĩ morĩtie mũingĩ gũkorwo makĩnyitanĩra na gũteithania gũkorwo magĩteithania igongona rĩrĩ nĩ rĩgwĩkinyĩtio nĩ gavana wa kaunti ĩyo James Orengo, Fernandes Barasa na Simon Kichapin wa West Pokot.
As much as we are talking about the safety of our schools, now there's a new threat, the cyber threat, the psychological warfare that is now beginning to take a different form, which can lead to a lot of scars. It can lead to a lot of suicide. It can lead to a lot of depression. As you deliberate, let's not just focus on the element of armed conflict. Let us realize that technology has now come with its challenges. As we embrace it, how do we make sure that our schools are safe with this new silent partner? I didn't say enemy, I said partner. Because technology is our partner. But the question then, do all partners come with good intentions? That's the question we may want to ask ourselves. So let's dedicate some time to that, to just focus.
Na riboti yo kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Siaya ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtuithĩranĩria Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe. Tucemanie cianda wega thaa ithatũ tũkũrehere maya na mangĩ maingĩ ta ũrĩa megũthiĩ na mbere na gũkinyĩra metha itũ ya mohoro na hamwe na gethe makorwo manyitĩrĩire mwaro ũtigĩrĩre nĩ watwamũkĩra na njĩra ĩgwete. Niĩ njĩtagwo Wangari wa Kimani na kĩmũtwathĩri na njĩra ciĩko etagwo Vivian Owangici.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Look at them,